Happy Friday, all. Hope you guys had a good week. We really appreciate all the time and effort that you're putting in, parents, students, everybody. So, thank you guys all for another good week. As always, please reach out to us with any questions or concerns, and we'll be happy to help. For this week, should be a quick message today. For the last day of the week, I should say. We have Sign of the Beaver is going to meet again today, maybe one of our last times meeting as groups for the lit circles before we get towards the end of the book. The rest of the groups, you will have your questions to finish up and submit. Um, some big things to maybe announce with that for things that are due. Try to get all of that late work in after you get that reading done. Get all of your late work in and submitted today. Your DARE essay is due to deputy testing by the end of today, Friday, April 17th. So make sure you get that DARE essay in as quick as possible so we can get those off to deputy testing. Um, and then the last thing to share off with you guys before we move on to the next thing for the next week is our science social. We have Liberty's Kids episode 7. You're going to take notes on this one and you're going to write a tweet again. So remember, this tweet is just a note in Seesaw as a historical figure. So you are writing it in first person on something they would say. So you're going to write it from this episode. So it has to be something that happened in episode 7. Can happen from any time before. If you get stuck on it, remember there's that video that's down below on this one here from Tuesday. And also you can click into this one where it says write a tweet, and it'll give you some more directions on how to complete that. Some other things as you guys are writing those, we had some really good ones last week, and I'll just share some examples as we go so you guys have a better idea of how to do this. So those are my two from last week. Here's one awesome one from this week. From John Parker's, a writer printing the right thing is worth 1,000 soldiers. Hashtag don't just need soldiers to fight. Hashtag one writer printing the right things. Two awesome hashtags that elicit their point about the writers are maybe better than soldiers so they can get everyone in the same page. Very good first person example. Another great example, this one was from Captain. Will not fire until we are fired upon. Hashtag end this in peace. Hashtag back off. Well done with the two hashtags, first person there as well. Nicely done. Another good example, James Hiller. There won't be peace until we have the same rights every Englishman has. Hashtag give us peace. Hashtag give us rights. Excellent use of connecting your hashtags to what James was trying to say on his point there. John Parker's. Stand your ground, men. Hashtag it just started. Hashtag we are at war. This was a neat one because they were able to find a way to get a screenshot on their computer and use that picture as well. One from Ben Franklin. The heart of a fool is in his mouth, but the mouth of a wise man is in his heart. At Ben Wise is a wise man. Hashtag poetic words. Hashtag blame. Very good quote that he found on this one. And last example, so you guys have a good idea of what to do. Here is a very creative one. Reading down from the top, hashtag Boston News. Sarah Phillips writing to @Moses. Here's what happened. A gun was fired and now we are in war. This is a war no one wants. Hashtag stop this nonsense. Hashtag no more war. Down below that, Ben Franks. Prepare our soldiers. Let the war begin. Let's get them. Hashtag Tea Party. Very, very creative ways of doing this. Excellent job, U5. And hope you guys can get another shout out next week as you guys are posting on for episode 7. If you'd like to watch ahead, just make sure you are posting for the episode that you're on. So now it'll say something like episode 6 somewhere up close onto here. You know, all of these would be from episode 6. Whereas your next one today will say episode 7 on there for me, because some kids are starting to work ahead on episode 8 and episode 9. So go ahead and do that. Just make sure you guys are writing which ones are which so I know how to grade them. And have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend.